Hi friends! Today we're gonna be making two salads that have some common ingredients but completely different tastes. All ingredients are plant-based and great for lunch, dinner or as a side dish. So let's dive right in. For the first recipe we're gonna be making beet salad. For that we're gonna need to boil 2 medium potatoes and 2 medium carrots. Cook over medium heat until it's boiled, then reduce the heat and cook for about 30 minutes until veggies are tender. At the same time, on a medium heat, cook 2 beets for about 40 minutes or until they are tender. You can check if veggies are fully cooked by poking them with a fork. Once veggies are cooked, we're gonna pour the water and let them cool for 20 minutes. After that, we're gonna peel them, chop into small cubes and transfer into a medium bowl. Then we're gonna chop about 7 small pickles, add them to the bowl, and then add 1 cup of sweet peas. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and mix everything well. And here you go, full of vitamins, our salad is ready to serve. For the next recipe we're gonna be making vegan Olivier. For this we're gonna need to boil 2 potatoes and 2 carrots until they are tender as well. Meanwhile we're gonna chop 2 cups of cremini mushrooms into small cubes. Then cook in a pan over medium-high heat with a bit of oil for about 5 minutes. Add a few twists of salt and pepper. After that we're gonna peel and chop boiled veggies into small pieces and add them to the bowl. Also we're gonna chop about 8 small pickles and transfer to the bowl, as well as cooked mushrooms and sweet peas. This time we're gonna dress it with 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo. I like to use Veganese mayo. This is not sponsored, I just wanna share with you my opinion, and I think this is the best between vegan mayos. So we're gonna mix everything well until all pieces are evenly coated. And that's it, simple and easy. These 2 meals are perfect for summertime, as both are served cold. As I mentioned earlier, you can enjoy them as lunch, dinner or as a side meal. And don't forget to treat your friends as well. I hope you'll make these 2 salads and share your experience with us in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss the next delicious recipe. See you next time. Bye!